What's up guys, welcome to Mofire. Today's video is week 2 and 4 of the Anywhere Fitness program. I've already posted week 1 and 3 a couple weeks ago, so if you haven't checked that one out, I'm going to link it at the end of this video. If you're following along, which I hope you are, this week's setup is the exact same as last week's setup, but we're going to have a couple different movements, a couple different rep ranges, and then some repeat movements. In my first video, I explained how these circuits work, but I'm going to go over it really quick right now. Each circuit is a 5-minute timer. We're going to do each circuit 3 times. So there's 6 circuits that we're doing. We're going to go circuit 1, 5-minute timer, circuit 2, 5-minute timer, circuit 3, 5-minute timer, circuit 4, 5-minute timer. On and on, you get it, till 6 circuits. It should take about 30 minutes, 45 minutes if you do a warm-up, roll out, and you actually time your rests, because we do want to have a good amount of rest time in these workouts. I'm also going to include a snapshot of each circuit as it's coming up at the beginning of the circuit, so you can take a little screenshot of those. Hope you enjoy! What's your Mofire?